Today's video is all about cozy winter painting where a girl is sitting having her tea or coffee watching snow through window. Here is a little sneak peek before I start. I chose the colors a bit sober yet they're bright. The painting has been done with only these two brushes. I'm taping the four sides for a clean finishing. If you want this type of finishing, you also can buy this masking tape from my description below. Starting with the hair of the girl, I am drawing the shoulder next. The other shoulder is not visible, and the hands like this. I am drawing the thigh next, and the elbow is not visible also. The knees I drew, and the back side a bit. I don't know what is this sweater called, but I like it. That is why I am giving the design. I'm drawing the hand like she's holding a cup. I'm drawing the rough sketch of the other leg. I don't like this portion, so I will adjust this portion after I draw the ankle and toe, leaving the ankle incomplete. And then her cup of coffee or tea, whatever she is having. The other hand, a bit other hand which is visible. Feel free to modify wherever you don't like, whatever part you don't like I am modifying this portion. Now I am drawing her socks. This is the bed I am drawing. I'm adjusting this part because this is a sweater type clothing. I want it a bit loose. I started the stroke from middle top of the page, and you already understood that this is the curtain. This portion I wanted a clean and straight line, that is why I am using another pencil to make a straight line. This is the window she is watching through. We are all done with sketching with pencil, and let's hop on to coloring. For the background, first take some water and a grey color a bit and then spread them. Remember, you're not supposed to totally copy the background. Take the idea and paint it for yourself. The background I want is a bit grayish. Also, it has to be cold, that is why I used the blue color. Don't let this portion dry because otherwise the color will not spread like this. I took a bit deep green. I'm adding some dark color for the shades. Also, I used a bit white for the snowy vibe. I wanted to give here a warm look, that is why I used peach. I made this color with a bit maroon, and I added some white color to it. I am spreading the color all over the sweater, and this is my actual painting speed, so no hurry at all. If you think that this video is too speedy, then you can slow it down. There is an option there. I am adding maroon color for shading. I washed the brush before blending the color. To define the folded parts, I used a bit white. I added a bit violet with maroon. I am creating a line to paint a Christmas tree. Actually, not one tree, there'll be 3 to 4 trees. I'm giving multiple dots to create the leaves. Painting the dots for all the leaves. I am applying the same process for the other trees. Blending some grayish blue color for the defocused trees. Tap some white color on the leaves of the tree to make the snow. Applying peach color to the skin. Wherever there could be a shadow, I am using brown there. To blend the color, I washed the brown color first. It is supposed to look like it is going from the darker color to the brighter color. Use white if you feel like it is needed. Applying the same process with black to define the shadow here. I am coloring with light violet for the bed. Give a bit peach and blue. I am using black color for hair. I am leaving a space for a prune color to give a bit shiny look to the hair. Adding sky blue to the curtains, also applying the same process like I did before, that is darker to brighter. I created this color with a bit blue, a bit white and a bit green. Giving yellow ochre to the window, not the glasses. Using red and light yellow for the socks. I want the cup to be black, total black. Then for the tea or whatever she is having, I am giving a maroon color. applying a bit brown to the bottom side. Now painting every edges, every borders with black. Application of this black has to be very thin. For that you have to apply the color with the tip of the brush. That is why make sure the tip is sharp enough while buying. This is white I am using right now. To make the snow visible, I'll add the darker background with some gray color. And we are done here. What left is just the finishing touch. That I'll do after pulling off the mask. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend who likes to paint. And wait, we are not finished yet because I'm going to add some light. Whatever I used in this video, the tools are given in the description below. You can buy from Amazon. This part is completely optional. You can definitely skip it or keep it. I made a tutorial video of autumn season. If you want to check it, then go to my video playlist and search it there. There will be more seasonal videos for upcoming videos, and stay tuned for that. And this is Mousumi signing off. Bye bye.